Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Did you know your Apple Watch has an app switcher that lets you quickly jump between recently used apps? Instead of going back to the home screen every time, the app switcher allows you to move between apps instantly and even close apps that are not responding. In this guide, I will show you how to access and use the app switcher on your Apple Watch. Accessing the app switcher on the Apple Watch is very simple. Just double press the digital crown on the side of your Apple Watch. As soon as you do that, you will see a list of recently used apps appear on the screen. These are the apps you have opened recently, making it easy to jump back to them without searching through your app grid. Once the app switcher is open, you can scroll through the list of apps using your finger or the digital crown. When you find the app you want to open, simply tap on it and the Apple Watch will switch to that app instantly. This is a great way to quickly move between apps like workouts, messages, music, or timer. You can also use the app switcher to close apps. To do this, swipe left on the app you want to close, then tap on the X button that appears. This will remove the app from the app switcher and close it. Closing apps can sometimes help if an app becomes slow or unresponsive. In most cases, Apple Watch manages apps automatically in the background, so you don't need to close them often. But the app switcher is still useful for quickly navigating between apps and fixing minor app issues. And that's how you can access and use the app switcher on your Apple Watch to switch between apps and close apps quickly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.